Ditch traditional photography. With AI, you can create stunning product images for free. Embrace the future of visuals and let your products shine effortlessly. 3 things we are going to learn. 1. Make your image background less. 2. Make AI-generated product image. 3. Enhance image quality. Let's jump into the video. First, go to your browser and search Pickwish, then select Background Remover to remove background from your product image. Then sign up with your Google account and upload your product image. It will take few seconds to remove background from image perfectly, then you can see watermark will be removed from downloaded image and it's completely free. Next step is to search on Google Flare.ai. Then sign up with your Google account, then create a new project. First, untick real-time generation. Then select sample products and hit delete button from your keyboard to remove them. Then drag and drop your backgroundless image. Here is also an option to remove background, but it does not work perfectly, that's why I showed you another method. Then go to Prompt Builder and enter your product category. Then select Templates. There is tons of pre-built template for use. Choose any of them you like and select. You can also change prompt from Prompt Builder. Then go to Generate and hit Click button. It will take few seconds and automatically create your image based on your selected template. If you don't like outcome, you can again go to Template, select any template, then again generate image. It's completely free. Once you are satisfied, click the image and scroll down for download image. Let's enhance this image for more perfection in it. Let's go to Google and type Korea Open Beta. Then select Upscale and Enhancer. It will take a bit time to enhance the image, but it's completely fine because it's free. As a designer, AI boosts efficiency by automating tasks and offering design suggestions, helping create relevant and appealing work. However, it also threatens job security and may reduce the uniqueness and creativity in designs. Balancing AI's benefits and risks is essential to maintain creativity and relevance in the industry. Hope you learned something new from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos.